Welcome back to NewYorkDiesels.com, where we are the originator of second-gen Cummins diesel trucks and our work. Here's a 5.9 Cummins 24-valve diesel right back from the machine shop, all ready to go, brand new pistons and everything. We are an industrial injection retailer. We want to say thank you to them. They're like our family, and there's an industrial injection performance head with fire ring grooves cut in it and an industrial injection fire ring head gasket. There's the fire rings. You can see the grooves. The fire rings are in there as well. Also, industrial injection VP44 injection pump. We do use ARP head studs. We are an authorized retailer when it comes to putting these engines together. That's what we do. If you need your engine done, please call us today at 607-423-7729. We also, in this head, we put BD 125 horse injectors in it. We're ready to go with you. If you need your engine redone, rebuilt, your transmission, your truck, anything, 607-423-7729. John at NYDiesels.com. What are you waiting for? Keep your turbos spooling.